So hey everyone, hope you guys are doing well. Today we'll be discussing about the significance of a Karbi PoHo, a symbol of Karbi pride. It is a hand-woven scarf or muffler made by the local artisans, as it is characterized by its unique design and vibrant colors, and featuring the intricate embroidery that reflects the community's culture and heritage. The garment often showcases geometric patterns which inspire by nature, and the common motifs include the tribal symbols and traditional design, which often pass by generations and generations. Also, the make it in bright and contrasting colors, symbolizing various aspects of life. Normally, for men, it is woven in red or white color, and the muffler for women is generally made in a mixture of black, red, and white thin lines for their elegant look. As we all know, PoHo forms an integral part of Karbi community and cultural identity. This traditional garment is used as muffler or worn around the head by men, like turban. It is widely presented to honor someone, especially during festive occasions and important events. It is also adorned by both men and women, where white PoHo is generally used by the unmarried individuals, while red is meant for married persons. The embroidery and patterns often tells the stories and representing social status. Karbi PoHo is not just a piece of clothing, but a reflection of the rich cultural identity of the Karbi people. Okay, bye. See you in the next video.